Well, it's 2 o'clock in the morning, and my friends are drinking gin, and we're going for 3 days, so you couldn't tell where I've been.
Yeah.
Hey, second, baby, I think it's gonna buzz. And one time I had you, and you said it was gonna fuck, but I ain't got a dime, ain't got a cigarette, and I spent my last $2 on a cheap cigarette. The morning dawn, if my eyes don't open, you can give me another shot, and you can throw me in a coffin. Oh, throw me in a coffin. Well,
Rock and roll.